Hello everyone, welcome to Lonza Machinery. I'm going to introduce to you our 75 kilowatts fly die wood pellet machine. Now in front of you is the complete machine with electric control panel. This pellet machine suitable for making wood pellet, straw pellet. Capacity can be 1 to 1.2 ton per hour. This pellet machine with a heavy type gear reducer and CE certified good quality fly die wood pellet machine. And this machine special ordered by customer with electric motor 415 volts, 50 hertz and 3-phase. You can see the complete set. With the input hopper and the output hopper and automatic lubricating pump for gear oil to main shaft bearing. And this one also fit with 8mm fly die and 6mm fly die.